Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rajat Pandya. I'm the co-founder and CEO at FaunaTech. We are a biotechnology expert and agri-diagnostics company building a portable device to detect diseases early and test for food quality at farm gate, save money for the farmers, and improve health on the planet. How safe is your food? Perishable foods like milk, fish, meat, poultry, and grains suffer from a high risk of contamination. What if you could simply use a rapid point-of-care device to test for food quality, safety, and traceability? Introducing Fauna, a novel smartphone-based handheld diagnostic platform for early detection of critical diseases, monitoring animal health, cattle health, and testing for milk and food quality at the farm gate, and in turn reducing the antibiotic usage. Fauna provides a very high accuracy of 94 and 95% against the benchtop models and is 10x cheaper to the current mechanism. The beauty of the device is also that we are expandable to 25 plus biomarkers on the same platform. We have a very strong IP held across the strip chemistries, the hardware, and the platform. We started with the dairy sector, and we are dealing with one of the biggest problems in the dairy sector called mastitis. It's an udder infection which infects almost 30% of milk cows and buffaloes globally and leads to a complete loss in milk production and farm income for the farmer, which is almost more than 20%. By using our technology, we've seen a decrease in mastitis cases by almost 55%, an increase in milk production by 22%, leading to a huge income for farmer of more than 200% per animal per year. Not only that, we've seen a substantial decrease in antibiotic residue in the supply chain, which is great for us humans. This is Fauna at the farm gate. This is how our technology is being used at some of the farms in India starting, which is one of the biggest dairy sector and dairy market globally. Total global market of $3 billion in just dairy, and a total market size and animal size of 270 million milk animals globally. With dairy, we've launched in India commercially and working with some of the biggest names in the dairy sector like Nestle, Amul, Nandini, and Gyan Dairy, and we've clocked revenue of $80,000 for this financial year up till now. We have a very straight business model where the device is priced at $250 and is a one-time purchase, and a recurring revenue model on a monthly basis or a fortnightly basis for a test panel between $1 to $2. And we're selling to milk unions, private dairy brands, and dairy multinationals like Nestle, Parmalat, and Lactalis. We've just started with India and now looking to onboard 2+ million farmers and reach a revenue of 5 million ARR in the next 2 years. Dairy is just the beginning, and we are looking in agri-diagnostic space, starting with dairy for fish, meat, poultry, and grains, and testing for critical biomarkers like somatic cell count, BHB, LDH, antibiotic residue, E. coli, aflatoxins, and mycotoxins. After our launch in India, we're now soon launching our pilots in Italy, Israel, US, and Japan. And we're working with some of the big names like DFA, Uros, Fibro, Parmalat, and Marubeni. To achieve the next level of scale-up and growth, we're raising our next round of funding of $2 million to fund our commercial scale-up and also add on key biomarkers in the agri-diagnostic space, starting with milk and then food diagnostics. We have a very strong founding team with 15+ years of experience in biomedical engineering, product development, design, and diagnostics. And we are backed by Beyond Next Ventures Japan, who have seed funded us, along with that AgFunder and C-Camp in US and in India. We invite you to join us this exciting journey of making our food supply chain safer and secure for making the food and health of humans, animals, and planet much better. Thank you very much.